Okay, each interval is 4. Okay, so just to those who got 240, okay, is correct. Question B, $48 is correct. Question C, $300 is correct. Okay, but I'm going to go through now. So I asked you to tell me each interval, and I'm happy that I see 4. Because why? A lot of times, as I mentioned, right, when you see 0 to 20, students don't know why. They always see 5, 10, 15, 20. They never bother go and count. Then they realize when they they sometimes don't even realize that they get it wrong, that they actually see it wrongly. So they just read here 20. Then sometimes they read it here, the 100. This kind straightforward, no problem. But when it's somewhere here, if they read it as each interval 5, they will put 75. Then that's where they get wrong lah. So the correct ones, they read it correctly. But those that are not stated, they will read it wrongly. So be very careful. Make sure first thing, find out, okay, what is each interval first. That is the most important thing when you look at the bar graph, line graph. Okay. Now, so this is interval 4. So this will be 76. And the last one will be 44. Okay. So how much money did he save altogether from January to May? This is just adding. Okay, it will be 20 plus 100 plus 76 plus 44. That will give you 240. Okay, so this is just adding everything up together. Next, what was the average? The main thing here is average. How do we get average? Average money, okay, average amount of money, okay, saved from January to May. January to May is a total of 5 months. So you need to use the total amount of money divided by the number of months. So we already know the total amount of money, which is $240. The number of months will be 5, so you should get 48. Okay, you do not have to write units if you are not consistent about it. I'm writing so that you know, okay, that my values are, okay, what are my values? This is talking about the money. So you'll be very clear, 240 is the dollars, and 5 is the months. Okay, so you don't have to write units in your working, but in your equation, but your final answer must have the units of measurement. Okay, now, next, David saved $75 in June. The amount increased by 100% from June to July and another 100% from July to August. So we always look at 2 months at a time. June to July, okay, the increase is 100%. So that means we always look at the earlier month. That means chronological order. I think I previously mentioned also in when I was talking about 2024 paper. So the first month that comes first must always be 100%. The first day that comes first, okay, or the week that comes first is always the 100%, followed by the new percentage, which is plus 100%, which is 200%. Now, so the June, we already know that is $75. So plus another 100%, it will be 200%. So in July, it will be $75 times 2, which is $150. Okay, now, then after that, from July, okay, to August, okay, you see that it's 100% July again, then 200% will be August because we add another 100%. So now the value is $150. So since $150 is 100%, you need to make it 200%. So what do you do to find August? You will take $150 times 2, which will give you $300. That's how you get your answer for part C. Okay, so I see most of you got the answer. Some put question mark. Okay, so please, if you are having trouble with this, please revise your percentage increase and decrease. Okay, this is a P6. It is under your P6 percentage.